Yeah, Devyansh, which school are you from, student?
Sir, I'm from APS Bolaram.
APS Bolaram. Okay, so I think last year also I had one girl from the same school, APS Bolaram only. Her name is Jahnavi. I don't know whether you know it or not. Jahnavi. So she's passed out.
Janvi, sir, last year was she in ninth?
No, no, she was in 10th. I only teach 10th.
Oh,
Okay.
nah, then I don't think I know her.
Okay. So, and now she's passed out. There's no chance also. Do you have
Hmm.
11th and 12th also in APS?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So, Divyansh, what are your favorite subjects?
Favorite subjects, sir, language subjects, mostly English.
Mostly English. So, no, so not behind the science and maths?
Uh, I am a bit behind in science.
Okay, okay. No problem. You see, you will get all the options open after your class 10. Okay, there you should be choosy. But up to class 10, we need to have all of them, at least minimum
No.
knowledge. Okay. Why?
Yes.
Because you see, right now we are living in a society and everything should be interconnected. Like if you see, if I just see the small plant over there, how to make it a good plant, again, your biology will help me. Okay,
Yes.
photosynthesis, those all will be help me. Which type of fertilizer I should add? Chemistry will help me. Okay, so definitely little knowledge is still required. Yeah, after your 10th, little more option you can be choosing. After your 12th, again you can go into particular stream where you are interested.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so students, so myself Shravan Kumar. So as I think sir gave already the feedback, I retired from Air Force and from last 2 years I took this as a profession. Okay,
Yes.
okay, so let me share my screen. Yeah, so student, I'm here to give a demo on physics. Okay, physics demo, and you see your physics chapters are your science chapters are these many kids, almost
Yes.
30. Yeah, almost 30. So is your school started with class 10?
Yes, sir. We have started with chapter one in chemistry and life processes and light chapter,
Oh, very good,
reflection
wonderful.
and refraction.
Okay, super. So I'm just starting from the same thing. Okay, so when did they start your syllabus?
In from 9th of March.
9th of, so recently, very recently.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. So I'll try to give a demo on light reflection and reflection. If you have a little basics, that will be
Yes.
wonderful. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
So student, so anything in your life, not only in academics, if you are choosing anything, at least you should know why and what about that thing. Okay. So right now,
Yes.
as I said, physics is required to know me what is happening over there. But what is physics also you need to know. Okay. So I'll give a little brief about what is physics, then we'll move into the light. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose if you ask me, sir, give me the easiest way to understand what is physics, I'll just show whatever in my hand. Like you can see in my hand, I have a pen tab with me. So is
Yes.
it occupying a place in my room?
Yes, sir.
Yes, though it is known as a matter. Anything that occupies space in this environment, in this universe, we say it as a matter. To learn study of matter, and study of matter means again many things. Sir, are you speaking about what this pentab is made up of? No, that is again chemistry. I am speaking about how this, why this is again getting dropped onto the ground, which force is acting, why I am able to rotate this. So I am speaking about the force on energy of the matter. So this is a
Mm.
matter. If I'm speaking about the forces acting on it, energy acting on it, that is known as physics. Understood? So
Yes, sir.
basically, it's study of matter, but provided you should speak about the force, energy, these all terms you should add to know the physics. Okay. Now, once you got the physics, now let us move into the first chapter, light. One thing everybody know what is light. If I switch on the light, I can see the thing. If I don't switch on the light, I can't see the thing. So light
Yes.
is the thing that is helping us to look the objects. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
as I said, this is a physics. We need to use some technical words like energy, force. So here also I'll be using same meaning. Light is nothing but that allows you to see the things around you. But I'll add energy. Light is a form of energy that allows you to see the things. Understood till here, beta?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Okay. So then let us move forward now. Okay. So student, you see, we are not yet on starting your syllabus. Okay. We require at least 3 to 4 sessions to start the chapter where your NCRT book will not give you the knowledge. Your schools probably, I'm not expecting they will also give the knowledge. Very less schools are giving the knowledge. But if you directly jump to the chapter, even though you will be comfortable in NCRT, you will not be able to solve the previous year papers and board papers. Why? Because CBSE pattern is like that. It is going very deep into the concepts. To know the concepts well, you need to know the preface and after that. That means basics of class 8, 9, class 10 and little of class 11. So this much information if you have, then you can pick up any concept from that and can give the answer better. Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah. So as it is a demo, just you don't write the thing. Have pen and paper. We'll be doing small questions also. Okay. So during my regular session, whatever I'm speaking, if you want to write, you should make it write. If you are not able to write during the session, I'll share the entire PDF after the session. Okay. Yeah. So light, sources of light. First of all, light is known as something that shines. So we call it as a luminous source. A light comes from the luminous source that shines. That can be natural and artificial. Give me some example of natural light.
Sir, sun or fire.
Fire. Okay, that's fine. Yes, you are absolutely right. So natural. So lightning during thundering, lightning. You see some flashy light. Sun, obviously the best and the universal example. Meteor, the one which we see is that something falling from the sky. These all are the natural sources of light. You said it right. Shreya. Any artificial source of light?
So yes, tube light or any
Yes,
flashlight,
yes,
tube
yes.
light.
Man-made things, candle, flashlight, lamp. These all comes under artificial light. Okay. But again, you see some of the newspapers will be giving some words like incandescent. What is this? Nothing but you see whenever you see in the newspapers, whenever there is a fire accident, so they will be using the words naked light and incandescent light. So incandescent is nothing but it is a light, but it should be hot. So something the best example is again sun. Sun is very hot and it is giving high intensity of light. So it is known as incandescent light. Okay. So if there is a hot light, will there be a cool light also?
Sir, maybe.
Okay. So can you give one example?
Sir, cool lights. Maybe not, because light always gives out radiation, and radiation
Will
gives
be
out
hot. Yes,
warmth.
you're absolutely right. But there are some natural coal lights also, which you can say it as a luminescent light, coal light. The best example is fireflies. Okay, so if it consumes something in its stomach, some chemical process is happening, and cool light will be emitting from its stomach, which we feel something like shiny. Okay, so what we
Yes.
read, we understood what is physics, study of matter. We understood what is light. It is a form of energy which we can see the thing. Then we have derived natural light, artificial light, and we have looked about the little incandescent light, which is hot light, luminescent light, which is cold light. This much we have completed till here. Any doubt
Yes.
better till here?
No, sir.
No. Okay, good student. Now the question comes. So yes, Divyansh. So I'll come to your campus. Then I'll switch off the lights in your room. Will you able to see the things?
Not really, sir.
Not especially in the in the night time, you
Yes.
will not see. So obviously, to see the things, we need to have a light. Next, if I come there and close your eyes, then will you able to see?
Then also no, sir.
Very good, student. So, student, you are absolutely right. So, light is essential, eyes are essential to look the thing. Now, the question comes whenever you are seeing something like images in the Google or any movies of the space, they're always dark. But you see, sunlight is always there. Sun is very beyond the space. So sunlight is always there. So that means light is there, student. Now
Yes.
you went to the space, assume you went to the space, still it is dark. Your eyes are always with you. When these both are there, still why do you see the darkness over there, beta? Both are
Sir,
there.
maybe because of the void.
Because of the
Void, there is no end of space, so light cannot actually reach any end to bounce back.
okay, so you're little right. So as you can see, my answer exact answer is in my question only. You went to the space, you have eyes, and sunlight is everywhere in the space also, but you're not able to see the things. Why? Because thing is only not there. What will you see? Okay.
Mm.
The right answer is so thing is not there. So how can you see? And you said it right. Reflection is not possible. So student, you're absolutely right. So three things are required to for your brain to feel the image. One, 100% you want source of light. Second,
Yes.
thing. The thing here is something like a tree. Third is your eyes. If these three are there, only your brain can feel the image, student. Your brain can feel the image. So
Yes.
now, now in the first chapter, what are we going to see? We are going to see how the light is traveling from the source to the object. Second, very, very important, we'll be focusing on how the reflection is happening, how the refraction is happening. Okay. In the second chapter, where you can see the second chapter is human eye and colorful world. There you will be seeing how the image is forming in your eye and how it is reaching to your brain. Understood the both sub chapters reasons. Okay. So in this
Yes.
chapter, you will be seeing how the light is traveling, how the light is reflecting and refracting. In the next chapter of the physics, how the image is forming in your eye and why this world is very colorful, like rainbow formation, dispersion, diffraction, many things you will be able to see. Okay. So with that, I have given little concepts. What are the three essential elements to your brain will feel the image? Sunlight, object, your eyes. These three are very, very important elements. Now, before starting this chapter, we need to assume something. Not assume, they are practically true, but when you go to your higher classes, you will be doing the experiment. The first thing, light always travels in a straight line. You can see covering straight line, reflecting back, coming in straight line, reflecting back. Like that, light always travels in a straight line. Okay. Second, can you know the do you know the speed of the light?
So it was something like 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
Very good, very good. Give me speed of the fighter aircraft what we have in India.
It's so something like 1,250 kilometer per hour.
Very good. 1250 or around 1400 you can take it. Okay. You see, this is 1400 kilometer per hour. And if I convert the speed of the light, it is 3 lakh kilometer per hour. So you can guess how much fast it is. Okay, so 1400, we are not able to see the fighter aircraft within seconds, and light 3 lakh kilometer per hour. That's the reason. One more reason we are not able to see the intense. The light is for traveling is so much speed. Our eyes are not susceptible to that. Okay, these two are the reasons. But student, this whatever you have said exactly, the figure is absolutely right. But this figure is only in the vacuum, student, in the vacuum. Why?
Yes.
Because vacuum means there is nothing to stop. Light is coming, nobody is to stop. It is just going. But when it reaches our Earth, Earth has some dust particles, some air particles like oxygen, nitrogen, many pollutants are there. Till it will decrease the speed after hitting the things. So you can say that around 2.99. You can't catch it still. It is 2.99 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Little it will decrease. Okay, so these two are, yeah, light it travels extremely fast. It travels at 3 lakh kilometer per second. Sorry, it's not hour also, it's per second. Okay, in vacuum. Yeah. So I think now we are yeah, good to start with this chapter, but little small questions you can give it in the chat box today, because you see now you will be in the group of 10, so only I can see the answers. You can give the answers in the chat box.
Yes. Sir, can I just speak the answer because I have to open the chat, and then if I open the chat, then the screen share just disappears for me.
Achha, so having issues?
Yes, sir.
Is it laptop or
Tablets.
tablet only? Okay, so you want to speak. So now you are alone. You can
Yes, sir.
definitely speak it.
I'll speak right now. Uh, Sir, moon. Sorry, not moon, sir. Uh, Sir, actually, yes, moon, sir.
Moon, absolutely. Why? Because moon
It
doesn't have
reflects light.
it just reflects the sun. Good shit. Select the correct statement.
B, sir. Option number B.
B. Right. Good. Incandescent light is
Um, Produced by cold temperature objects.
that is luminescent.
Oh, so was it incandescent? Was the hot temperature
Yes,
one?
yes, yes. Right.
Oh,
Produced by hot temperature object. Okay. Good student. Now let us see where is your chapter starting. Okay. So you see, this is where your chapter starting, but still again they are not giving basics. Let us know learn little basics again in this particular chapter. You see, Almost I'll be taking this chapter in almost how many sessions? 1 second. CBSE Science, Physics, Light Reflection. Yeah, you can see 15 sessions I'll be taking this particular chapter. Why? Because definitely it's worth. You can see the marks, 10 marks from this particular chapter. So it's
Yes.
worth taking the, yeah, it's the highest weighted chapter in entire physics. Okay, and another thing, student, why? Because I'm taking 15 session because you see first three sessions will not be there in your book. NCRT. First session, second session, third session, four sessions will not be there. Your NCRT will be taking from fifth session and it will end around 13th session. So again, 14, 15 will be little advantage or you can say little towards class level. So this is how I
Yes.
take for every chapter. Definitely I'll be slow, I'll be deeper because that is how I have seen the results also. Last year also, so did you heard about the maths paper?
So
This year,
last year one or this year one?
this year one.
It's some sets were difficult as I
Very,
heard.
very difficult. You see, in my session, two students were expecting 100% just before going the exam also because they work hard. Obviously, even I felt the same. But unluckily, they got that set three. And in set three, there were two questions which is just above the level of class 10. Okay, so I think they are ending with 94% or 95%. I should check what will be the final. And I am able to see that some grace marks also CBSE is considering. If at all that grace marks are considered, then they'll gain high marks.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, so again, so let us start reflection. So why this chapter is very much important as when if you take the Olympiad exams and competitive exam, very famous favorite area for class 10. Class 12, again you will be learning the light chapter in class 12, but all the basics are covered here. There the level will be very high. National Talent Search Examination is also one thing which you can expect many questions from this chapter. Yeah, 10th, obviously, it's a highest weighted chapter, you can say. Okay, yeah. So in today's session, what I'll be completing, this is my outline. I'll just start reflection of light, explain law of reflection, some questions on geometry based question. Okay, this is what I'll be completing right now. Okay, yeah. First thing first. So first of all, as I said, you should know the meaning. Can you give me the meaning of this particular reflection, student? Whatever you have in your mind, meaning of reflection of light.
The reflection of light. Sunlight always bounces back in a straight line. It never reflects in an unpredictable path
Okay.
unless there is an you know uneven surface.
Okay. Yeah, so first of all, uneven surface also light away again follows all the laws of reflection. Basically, you said half right. Reflection is nothing but bouncing back, but there is one technical word which you need to add about that. Okay, you see, this is what the reflection is, student. Okay, so this is what the reflection, just reflecting back, reflecting back, reflecting back. This is what. So first of all, it is bouncing back. But what is one technical word is you see this light is coming from air and going back to air. Green color light is coming from air, going back to air. So you need to use the word in the same medium. Bouncing back of light in the same medium, you need to use the word. Okay. Now, how to represent that video, what I have shown on the paper, you need to represent like this. You see, only one ray I am showing it here, but practically you will be getting 1 millions of rays from any source you take. You may take lamp, you may take sunlight, but it's very hard to analyze all of them. So always we will be analyzing one single light, incident ray. Okay. Incident ray means it is coming from the sun or lamp, whatever you can say, like that it is just travel incident ray. Okay, now this
Yes.
is an incident ray, it is coming, but you see what mirror, what is the nature of the mirror? The backside of the mirror is silver painted. Nowadays silver is very costly, they went for an alternative thing anyhow. So now what this if at all I do this, what happened? Whatever the green color light which is traveling, it will not allow this mirror backside, this colored screen will not allow this green color light, so entire light will be reflecting back and we call it as a reflected ray. So here incident ray, reflected ray. Okay,
Yes.
till here you understand. Now, student, one more thing very, very important you need to understand is you see here he is calling something as angle of incidence. What is this? You see this one. What is this, sir? This is an incident ray. But what is this black line? What is this line, beta?
So this is normal.
Normal, exactly. Mathematical word. Normal means 90 degrees. But whom 90 degrees? So this is the surface which is nothing but mirror. To this 90 degrees is nothing but normal. Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
it's
sir.
absolutely right, student. So here in this particular thing, you are able to see incident ray, normal, reflected ray. Now the question comes, sir, why is he considering angle of incidence between incident ray and normal? Normal is a virtual line where really doesn't exist. I am drawing in my mind, but you see beautifully some surface is there, some incident ray is there, and happily I am able to see some angle. Why this fellow is not considering this as angle of incidence? Again, the same question. Sir, you see happily reflected ray is going and we have some surface over here. I'm able to see beautifully some angle is forming and he is not considering this as angle of reflection. He is considering this as angle of reflection between reflected ray and normal, where normal is virtual. That doesn't exist at all. Yeah, student, give me your reason.
Sir, maybe because uh, we need to, if we make the incident ray a little bit downside, then the reflected ray from which the blue colored angle you have measured will be much higher than the incident angle.
Mhm. No, you see, you are saying like this, right? If I am taking incident ray is this, your reflected ray will be this only better.
Oh, sorry.
Still that
Yes, sir.
like that only. Yeah, I'll give you reason. Yeah, I'm sure that many students will not answer this because they have not learned. Yeah, the reason is because assume that yeah, you see, first of all, reflection is bouncing back in the same medium, which you need to write the technical word. Yeah, let me go. Let me go with this particular reason. Divyansh, are you there? I'm able to see your screen is stuck better.
Oh, sorry, sir. Network issues.
Network issue. Okay. I thought you were just looking backside only.
Oh,
It was stuck like that. Okay. Yeah. So, students, suppose you and me both are in Hyderabad, both are in India only. So, sun rays will be reaching almost same point. Now, one day I said, okay, so Devyansh, let us do some activity. I am at my home, and just the sun rays has started its sunrise. Sunrays have reached my home. So I'll just calculate my angle of incidence. This one I have calculated and set 30 degrees. Now I ask you to do the activity. What will you do? You will also do the same thing, sir. Yes, sir. Here is my home, and sun rays are reaching my home. Let me calculate angle of incidence. You will be saying 35 degrees. Then I'll shout, "What is this, Devyansh? I'm getting 30 degrees. You are getting 35 degrees. How is that possible?" Now you'll ring up your friend. अरे तुम अपना घर पे देखो रे सर मुझे चिल्ला रहा. Then you will see incident ray. His home is something like steep. His home is at surface is something he said 25 degrees. All are in confusion. Why? Because your home is not exactly at the horizontal surface, that may be curved, and your friend's home is curved inwards. So all our calculations will be disturbed. That's the reason what they finally did is, no, we can't predict how the surfaces look. Surfaces can be parallel, surfaces can be curvy. We'll take the reference as a normal. Now I'll say, okay, Divyansh, so we are not getting the answer. So let us do one thing. I am at my home, I am drawing some normal, and let us take this as a reference, and now I am getting 60 degrees. You do the same activity. Divyansh will be doing same, sir, this is my home. 90 degrees, I have drawn 90 degrees. Now, incident ray and normal, you will also say 60 degrees. And your friend will also say, this is my home, let me draw 90 degrees. And he will also say, sir, even I am getting 60. So, in order to just remove the uneven surfaces, we are always taking normal as a reference. Understood, beta?
yes, sir.
Oh, good. Okay, now the laws of reflection, beta. Laws, so you know what are laws? So laws are nothing but everyone should abide to it, first of all, laws. So light also definitely this follows these two laws. Okay, reflection, especially for the reflection of light, follows these two laws. So what are the first law? First law is angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. What does that mean? Just now we have done the activity. I said I am getting 60 degrees, and you do the same activity on the other side, you will get R also 60 degrees. This is the first law. Understood this one, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you see, if I draw a normal over here, the angle of incidence and angle of reflection both will be same. First law. Okay. So this law is very, very important for the upcoming geometry questions which we'll be doing. Angle I equal to angle of first formula of your physics. Angle I equal to angle R. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Second law. Second law is something you need to just understand and live, because these questions from this law will be given in your class 12. As I said, they all are interconnected. In class 12, you will be heard. But you need to understand what is this meaning. Incident ray, green color ray, reflected ray, blue color ray, normal, the black color normal. They all lie in the same plane. They all lie in the same plane. Okay. So let me explain what is that same plane word. Okay. Yes, Devyansh. So, same if at all I am considering this as axis, which axis it should be?
Sir, x-axis,
Wonderful, beta. And obviously, this will be
y-axis.
okay. Then this,
Sir, we could take this as another type of axis, such as z-axis.
wonderful, absolutely right. So, you see, this is what you have a picture in your up to class 8th and x-axis, y-axis. But now it's a three-dimensional story, student. So, you should say, sir, this is x-axis. Okay, I'll take another. Yeah. So now you need to say this is x-axis, this is y-axis. The one which is going into the screen or is known as z-axis. Okay, z-axis. You're absolutely right. Okay, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Now the plane. Can you say me in which plane that normal line is there? A plane nothing means if I need to draw something in this place, so which axis I am taking care of?
Sir, x and y.
That's Austrian. So you should say the normal is lying in XY plane. XY plane. Plane is nothing but this much on. Similarly, say me the reflected ray beta. Which plane?
Sir, reflected ray.
No.
Sir, this is also in xy.
Very good, very good. Wonderful, wonderful. Can you say me where is incident ray?
In yz, sir.
Very good. Student, now let us come back to that particular law and understand. Incident ray, reflected and normal, they all should lie in the same plane. But here I am able to see reflected rays normally they are lying in same plane. But incident ray is not lying same plane. This situation will never exist. That is what law number 2 says. Then sir, which situation will exist? The situation will exist like this. All should be in the same plane. So which plane they are in? All the three are now in
In yz.
YZ plane. Right answer, student. Okay, good. So, if you have understood both the laws, then shall we go ahead with some of the questions now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, first law is angular equal to angular. Second law, all the three are lying in the same plane. Okay, good, student. Now, let us do, now up to here, you will not get any question. From here, you will be getting 1 mark or 2 mark question. Okay, yeah, look at the first question, student. You can see there is an incident ray. Soon the incident ray is hitting the mirror. First thing you need to draw is normal. So normal is also drawn. And as it is a mirror, it is reflecting back. First question, angle of incidence is asking. Angle of incidence is here, beta. So this angle is
Yes.
asking.
Sir, then this would be,
Go ahead.
sir, 30.
Very good. Right answer. Okay. So, sir, this is a normal. Normal means always surface and normal 90 degrees. This is 60. Obviously, it should be 30. Only then the total will be 90 degrees. Wonderful. Angle of reflection. This angle is asking.
Angle of reflection will also be 30.
Exactly. Law number 1, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Angle between incident ray and reflected ray. This angle is asking. Incident ray is this. Reflected ray is this. This angle is asking.
So both of them combined.
Yes.
Sir,
So
60,
wonderful, student. Right answer. Angle between normal and mirror.
90 degrees.
90. So there is no need to look at normal itself is nothing but 90 degrees. And but normal with respect to surface. Surface here is mirror. So obviously 90 degrees. Okay. Very good, student. So this is your first question. Okay. Yeah. So next question. So now what you will do? you'll try to complete the diagram first. Okay, complete the diagram. So this one I'll explain. From next, you will be doing. Complete the diagram means, sir, incident ray is coming like this. It is hitting the mirror. So first thing, what you need to draw is the normal. Whenever it is hitting the mirror, you should draw normal. Then as it is a mirror, it should reflect back like this. Now, find the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection means this one. Yeah, student. So this green color angle is asking.
So 60 degrees.
Wonderful. So green color angle, if you want, you need to know this red color angle, and this red color angle is 60 degrees, so that it can make 90 degrees. So the answer is absolutely right. Okay. Yeah. So now you understood how to complete the diagram. Okay. Do the next question and don't give the answer before doing that one step. Complete the diagram is the only one step. I said.
So 0 degrees.
Wonderful, student. Absolutely. Okay. So the incident ray, soon the incident ray hits. I need to draw the line. Now he's asking angle of reflection, angular. For that, I need to find angle A. As I am able to see, both are on straight line. So 0 degrees. So this will be 0 degrees. The right answer. Yes. So please complete the diagram first. Take some time. Think what he's asking. So student, you see, you can do hundreds of problems, but still there will be 101 problem in your final exam. So then, sir, what to prepare? You need to only prepare on concepts. Okay. So you can prepare for the number of questions you can do that makes your concept better. But again, don't go and don't think that this question will be coming in your final exam. Only the concept will be coming. So concept, I'm giving some templates. First point I have given, complete the diagram.
So this would be 30 degrees.
So let me see this. So let me complete the diagram. Incident ray is hitting here. I need to draw the normal. Already normal is drawn. So this will reflect back like this. Again, I'm able to see mirror. So mirror means I need to draw again 90 again this particular normal. And as it is a mirror, it will reflect back like this. Now what is asking? He's asking angle of reflection from mirror to this angle is asking. Yeah. So now you say, student, first step is finished. Complete the diagram. Next. Now what are you saying?
So from mirror to it would be 30 degrees.
Achha, here. Yes.
Oh yeah, yes, sir. From mirror one actually. So the angle of reflection from mirror one.
Very good, very good. Okay, so you are saying this should be 30 degrees. So you see, student, you said absolutely right. What is the second step? Use the data. What is the data given here, beta? Divyansh? What is the
So
data here?
six
60. Yes.
60 degrees.
Second step is use the data. So this is 60. This will be 30. Then
So this would also be 60. The mirror one.
this one you're saying.
Yes, sir.
How much?
60, sir.
Why?
So because 30, the angle of incidence is also given 30 degrees.
Mhm.
Then the angle of reflection would in total be 90 degrees considering normal. Then
Okay.
30 degrees plus 60 is
Yeah.
90.
So you can you would have said here only, sir. This is 30. This will also
Yes.
be 30. Yes. Will also be 30. Okay. Then
So after that, the remaining angle from mirror one would be 60. That would complete the mirror one angle.
okay. 60. Because on a straight line, total should be 180. So you are saying this is 60, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
Um,
yes, you said absolutely right, student. So first step is to complete the diagram. Second step to use the data. You have used the data. Third is geometry. So you see, you have already used some geometry. Go ahead. But your target is here. You need to reach up to there.
So it would be 60 degrees.
60?
The left side. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So you see, I said geometry. Geometry is nothing but you need to realize some triangles concept or parallel lines concept. As you have already given, this is 60 and this itself is 90. So this is 90 plus 60 plus x. I am considering this as x beta. X. So total will be how much beta? Sum of all the angles in a triangle.
So 180,
180. 60, 90, x, 180. So from here, x you are saying this will be 180
30.
minus 150, 30. If this is 30, this will be 60. If this is 60, this will be 60. 100% right answer. Okay. So please use this, take this as a template. Complete the diagram, use the data, and little geometry will help you. Now, if you ask me, sir, only this is the way? No, not only this way. Geometry, that's up to your imagination. So you have imagined this here, this is 60, and you got this triangle. If I would be in your position, I would not have to use this also. Why? Because I can clearly see, sir, this is 60, this is 30, this is 30. Okay, okay.
So
Yeah, okay.
I thought about the transversal on the same side of the
Yes,
transversal.
very good, very good. Yes, you can say that. Okay, so this is, so I'm able to see this also triangle. 30, 90, directly 60. This is also one triangle. Okay, that is also fine. Okay, and let me go with the parallel lines concept also. Yeah, what are these two black lines?
So these are parallel lines.
Parallel lines. So what is this pink color?
So transversal.
Transversal. Wonderful, student. So can you say me whether this angle is same, and if same, what is the name of these two angles?
Angles. Angles opposite. So wait.
You're very near. I'll give a clue. You see, these both angles are inside parallel line and they're the alternate side of a transversal.
So
Alternate interior angle.
alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior angle. Inside parallel lines, alternate side of a transversal. Okay, so these are the this angle is also equal alternate interior angle. Okay, okay. Let me ask one more question over here. Okay, so say me whether this angle is same. If so, what is the name?
Angles on the same side of transversal.
Yeah. So what is the name?
Uh, uh, so,
Corres
corresponding angles. Yes.
धक्का देना पड़ेगा आके तुमको धक्का देना पड़ेगा corresponding angles right answer. Okay, so why you can see the sir black color transversal, this black color exactly on the same position corresponding angle. Okay, last question, is this angle same?
Yes, sir.
Reason?
Vertically opposite. Sir.
Wonderful, student. Okay, vertical opposite. So let me use that concept and do the same question here. Okay, sir, you said something like geometry. So I'm not able to realize something like triangles, but still I know as per template, I need to use geometry. So here I am able to see this color, this one, both are parallel lines, and this is a transversal. Now you say, me student, if this is 30, what will be this angle?
So 30.
Reason?
Uh,
Uh,
or alternate
alternate
interior.
interior angle. If this is 30, what will be this?
So this would be 60.
That's all. You got the same answer. Okay. So either geometry means either you realize some triangles and use angle sum property, or you realize some parallel lines and use this corresponding alternate interior, vertically opposite. All that you can do it. Okay, beta. Okay.
Yes.
Last question for the session. Let's do the last question and stop the things. Yes. Take some time. Take some time. So use the template, complete the diagram, use the data, little geometry will help you to give the final answer. So that's a template where you will not find anywhere, and this template is fixed for these type of problems. So for every topic, I'll give the template.
So maybe 30 degrees.
Okay, okay, so let me see. So did you complete the diagram?
So yes, sir, kind of.
Yeah, you see, student, once the incident ray hits, you need to draw the normal. Normal will be like this. Why? Because 90 degrees to the surface. So normal will be like this. So once you have drawn the normal, you will this will particularly it will reflect like this. Again, this is coming over here. So again, you need to draw the normal. That color. Again, as it is a mirror, it should reflect back like this. This is the diagram completion. First step I have done. Second step, okay, so what is asking? Reflecting from mirror to. So this one is asking. Second step, use the data. Data. So where is the data? Data is here better. So you need to
Yes.
bring this data near the light. So where should I bring it here?
Sir,
Uh,
what was the question?
okay, so you said some 30 degrees, right? How did you do that?
Sir, I took the what do you call this? The
Let me.
normal.
I'm writing the names. A, B, C, D, E. Now you say
Yes, sir. So first, sir, I took the what do you call that?
this one, mirror one.
Yes, sir. This one. Then so this angle, so one was 60 degree.
Uh,
Then the other the angle with angle AC, the line AC. On line AC, yes, these three were forming a triangle. I took all of these three as 60 degrees.
Why? Who said?
So,
You got the answer right, but who said it is equal as a triangle?
sir, sorry, sir.
So, yeah, you see you have skipped the template actually. You follow the template. Now, what is the second step of template? Use the data. Now you are seeing here is the data beta. Now you need to bring this data near the light. So, so now use some parallel lines concept, those all to bring the data near the light.
Sir, so there are the BC one and the AD are two parallel lines.
BC, very good. Now you are in the right direction. Sir, AD and BC are two parallel lines, and this fellow is a transversal.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what is
Then
the angle?
this angle will also be 60 degrees.
And reason?
Corresponding angles.
That's all. You see, your second step finished. You use the data. Okay, now if this is 60, what will be this?
This would be uh, if that is 60, then
This is a normal to mirror one. So total should be
so 30 degrees.
30. If this is 30, what will be this angle?
So this would also be 30.
Finish. So you have used the data. Third step, little more geometry now. If you are able to see something like triangle, use angle sum property. If at least you are able to see something like parallel lines, then also you can use. And you want this. Go ahead.
Uh, so if we take the triangle one, then angle the angle DAC
Hmm.
would be 60, and then angle ADC would be 90.
Very
And
good.
then the
Wonderful, wonderful. You are taking this as 60
yes,
plus
sir.
triangle DAC, this is 90 plus this is what I want x equal to 180 and
Yes, sir.
absolutely x equal to 30. You see, you got the same answer previously also. Huh? Okay. Yeah. So student, yes, you're absolutely right. You can use this concept. Suppose your this idea did not come to you. Realizing the triangle did not come to you. You see, you already said how the AD and BC are parallel lines, and you can see this is a transversal now. AD and
Yes.
BC are this is a transversal. So in the transversal, if this is 60, totally 60, this will be 60. If this is 60, this will be 30. That also the same
Hmm.
answer. And you see, this is 60, this is 60. What will be this? This is also 60. Now you can say it is equilateral
Uh,
triangle, but not the other way. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. So with that, let us stop our discussion. So this is what the demo of the first chapter, light is all about. Student. Okay. So let me just stop with the meaning refraction. What is refraction according to you?
Sir, refraction, the bending of light.
Very good. Very good. So can you see my screen? No, no.
No, sir.
Let me just end with the story refraction of light. Yes, student, you're absolutely right. It's nothing but bending of light. So you can see light is coming from air to glass. So again, you need to use the technical word medium. Light is entering from air to glass. You see little bending is there, little bending is there. I'll use my red color sketch and green color. So when the light is coming from changing through one medium to one medium, from air to glass, there is little bending of that light, and that particular light is known as refraction of light. And this is also one of the reason for the rainbow formation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So stop the screen. Yeah, so student, any doubt in today's session?
Sir, there would not be a, we would not call this a doubt, but I have to practice this geometry part.
Okay. So you see, I just took one session. Obviously, when we go to the maths part, again, some basics, again, I'll refresh the thing. Okay.
Mm.
Frequently, we'll be using automatically. That will be practice for you. Okay.
Yes.
And you see, I am planning to complete the syllabus by November ending, because you see, I'll not rush up in as per the schools. Schools are rushing it many times and again repeating the same concepts again. In spite of that, we will go deeper and slowly, so that the concept will be basics will be strong. Then whatever the question will be coming, we can face them. Okay. So December and January will be the game changer for the sample paper discussion, previous year questions, all that story will be starting. Okay. So please give the feedback to your parents. Let me, I'll speak after that time to start. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, student.
So may I leave?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.